The inaugural Storytime special barrel release. They are on sale now. Are they worth buying? Well, I'm about to let you know. Welcome back to Old Fashioned Ways Plus Plus, and I was given this sample. It's wild turkey that was distilled at Buffalo Trace, and this is a 15-year-old distillate. This is what Storytime has on their page about it. It takes a special barrel to be the inaugural Storytime release, and believe me, this one is a monster. Distilled in Frankfurt and aged in Lawrenceburg, this whiskey speaks for itself. You have seen other bottles from the same batch of barrels released, but I can assure you these stand out. The best stories are shared with friends, and the best whiskey makes for the best stories. And that's true. I always agree. The best whiskey with the best friends make for the best stories. To make this fair, I'm going to have to do a blind with this. But it will be going up against another heavy hitter.
It's the only way.
That's the only way.
No other than Fred Minnick's #1 pick of 2024. Yep, Russell's 15. I have to admit, I do love this Russell's 15. As always, anytime I do a review, I will give a sample. So I'll give the rest of the sample away. So stay tuned to find out how you can win a sample. I want to go over some of the bottle details before we get into this one. It's a 15-year Kentucky Bourbon, classification straight bourbon whiskey, distillery, turkey distilled at Buffalo Trace. Release date, none stated right now. Proof from the sample I have is 128 proof, 64% ABV. Age, 15-year-old. Finish, none stated. Mashbill, 57% corn, 13% rye, and 12% malted barley. MSRP on this is $250, and it's released in 2025. So what I did is pour 2 samples, and I've been letting them sit for a while. I don't know what is which. I've mixed them up before I set them to the side, mixing them up a little bit more. It's kind of hard. You just go back and forth, with 2. So they're labeled on the bottom, so I don't know which is which. But time to get into this. Let's look at this. Let's compare they're both very, very similar in color. This one just might be a tad bit darker. I'm just double checking that, but if any, just a tad bit darker on this side. I'm covering the bottom because I don't want to know what letter it is. Oh yeah. So this one hasn't even started forming legs yet. And they're very, very, it's slowly starting to go down. Very, very tight. Very, very tight. All right, let's look at this one. Same thing, very viscous, very tight legs. Barely even starting to form. It's kind of just coming down just all together, not even really, not even like legs. And both of them kind of did the same thing. So that's interesting. Let's go for the nose. That just smells good. Oh, they do have a little bit of a different nose. And they should, right? This one smells a little bit brighter, a little bit spicier. You smell that wood in there. You smell that age in there. That just smells good. So this one smells a little bit darker. Burnt caramel, a little bit of orange, just a kind of basement, kind of danker smell to it, but not in a bad way. So both smell really good. If I were to give an edge to one, I would actually say this one has a little bit more brightness and nose to it, and I think my nose likes this one better. But it's all about the palate, so let's go in for that palate. Wow, caramel, tannic, orange. That was my first sip of the night, and I went through all that quickly. Wow, great on the tongue, great mouthfeel. Everything you want in a bourbon. So that's already a good start. Let's go in for this one. A little spicier, very much caramel forward, tannic, burnt orange. You taste some leather in that one. And that was my second taste, right? So my first taste, my second taste. So sometimes when you get that second taste in your mouth, you get so much more flavor to it. So I'm gonna come back to this one now. Man, both of these are extremely flavorful on the mouth. Hits that palate right. Has good age, but not over tannic. Great mouthfeel. So I'm gonna take a second, go through these individually, rinse my palate in between each one, and then come out with one that I think is better than the other. But holy cow, I know this is gonna be hard because both of them are freaking hitting my palate great right now. So we'll be right back. There's fruit on this, there's plum, there's darkness. There's just so much goodness in this one. I'm loving it. Flavor, caramel, orange, brightness, tannic, leather. All this goodness on the tongue, man. Wow. These are 2 amazing pours. It just hits the palate so nicely. Yeah. Both of these are great. Both of these are very, very good. And it's going to be hard for me to choose one over the other. But I did slight one out. This one is just a little bit brighter. It has more of that sweetness before that leather and tannic and orange. And I mean, it's like a dessert in your mouth with some, like a bourbon dessert. Like if you go into a restaurant, like a whiskey cake kind of thing, right? And you get that sweetness and you get that delicateness and you get that mouthfeel and you get everything else in there. And then this one's more of that great mouthfeel, nice thickness on the tongue, viscosity is good. Man, I'm getting thirsty just thinking about it again. I have them right in front of me and I just want to drink some more. But I'm going to be honest, they're both excellent. I can't even talk how good these are. But I'm going to say this one edged out this one just by a tiny bit.
By the hairs on your chinny chin chin.
And I think it's because I like how it's like more refreshing and more of that brightness and just kind of the way it hits. So, are you ready to see what my winner is? Whew. I'm a little nervous, but I can't wait to finish this off tonight. They're so good. All right, who's my winner? Drum roll. A is, where's my thing? A is Shane's Storytime Distillery Edged Out Russell 15. These are on sale. These, you can buy this right now. This is almost impossible to get. I already have bought one before. They haven't shipped out yet. They're shipping out in April. I'm going to order another bottle of this because I need to have another one of these on my shelves. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. All day, every day, I would drink this. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now I know what you mean. Inaugural has to be something special. It competed with Russell's 15, the best from Fred Minnick of last year. Wow, wow, wow. I'm surprised. I am very surprised. I honestly thought this was the Russell 15. I've had enough of it that I thought that's what that was. So I'm very, very surprised. Shane, you guys out there, Storytime Distillery, great job. Great job. Woo! Let's talk about how you can win a sample. I'm going to give away the rest of this sample because I have a bottle coming, so I can do that. Even though I want to drink the rest of it tonight, but I can't. So let's talk about how you win a sample. First of all, if you haven't, go hit that like button. Yep, go hit that. And make sure you hit it hard. Just go boom, boom, boom. Go hit that like button. Smash! If you are not, make sure you follow me. I got a lot of fun things like this. I got a lot of fun giveaways. I got a lot of fun lives. And I'm getting close to 2,222 subs. And that's going to be a hell of a time. Yep, it's going to be craziness. You want to be there. And you don't want to miss that. So you don't want to miss any upcoming videos. You don't want to miss any upcoming giveaways. And one more thing. In the comments below, let me know. Have you had Russell's 15? And make sure to hashtag. I need a hashtag in there. Hashtag Buffalo Turkey. Hashtag Buffalo Turkey. So you can win the rest of this sample. This is so much fun. I wish you guys were here to join this with me. Oh my goodness. I'm going to have a fun night. So thank you guys for joining me on another journey down my whiskey rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends. Cheers.